Hi everyone, welcome back to Trina's Humble Homestead. Today we're diving into something super exciting, superfood. And the best part, you don't have to go to fancy health stores to find them. They're probably just sitting right in your pantry right now. So let's uncover these hidden gems together. First up, let's talk about quinoa. This tiny grain, not just a pretty face, it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber, which helps you keep full and supports digestion. If you haven't tried it yet, now's the time. What's your favorite way to enjoy quinoa? Let me know in the comments below. Cooking quinoa is super easy. Just rinse it, boil it in water, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. You'll have a nutritious addition to any meal. And trust me, it's delicious. You can even throw in some veggies and some beans and some salad dressing. Throw it in the fridge and grab it for a quick salad. You have a great meal prep that way. Next up, we have canned beans, whether it's black beans, chickpeas, or kidney beans. These are nutritional powerhouses. They're high in protein and fiber, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep your heart healthy. Plus, they're super versatile. Toss them into soup, salads, or even make a delicious bean dip. Like I said before, throw them in some quinoa with some veggies and salad dressing, and there you have a perfect powerhouse meal. So look at this colorful bean salad. It's not only healthy, but also super easy to make. Just mix your favorite beans with some veggies, olive oil, splash of lemon juice, voila, there you have it. What's your go-to bean recipe? Share it below. We all want to know. How about hummus? Oh my goodness, hummus is so amazing. Now let's not forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia. I did a whole video on chia seeds. And flax seeds. All are fantastic sources of healthy fat, protein, and essential vitamins. They can help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and even boost brain function. We definitely need those healthy fats for that brain function. You can snack on them, add them to smoothies, or sprinkle them on your breakfast for an extra crunch. I love adding them to my yogurt. Or making a quick chia pudding, which is an easy grab and go. I've got lots of videos on that. I can link the Chia video below. Here is a quick smoothie recipe. Just blend some spinach, banana, tablespoon of almond butter, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. It's a delicious, energizing, and packed with nutritious. And that's good for those who can't tolerate any dairy. I do a yogurt smoothie or a bowl of yogurt every morning with my homemade yogurt, and I add any of the variety of those. So what's your favorite smoothie ingredient? Drop it in the comments. And last but not least, let's talk about oats. Oats are not just for breakfast. They're a fantastic source of soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and keep your heart healthy. I know my grandma, she lived, well, let's see, was she 90? She was 90, and she had a bowl of oatmeal almost every day. Plus, they're also great for keeping you full through the morning. Making oatmeal is super simple. Just cook them in water or milk. You can top them with whatever you like. Fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. What toppings do you love on your oats? Let me know below. I like to do overnight oats. Take those oats, add some milk, my favorite toppings, throw them in the fridge in a jar, mason jar, grab and go for breakfast the next day. You can also throw some chia seeds in there for some extra nutrients. Super easy, super delicious, and You have quick, easy breakfast or even a brunch. So there you have it. 4 superfoods that you probably already have in your pantry. Quinoa, beans, nuts, and oats. And they're not only nutritious, but also incredibly versatile. I challenge you to incorporate at least one of these in your meals this week. Maybe even try food prepping with one of them. Give it a go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What superfoods do you have in your pantry? Comment below and let's keep this conversation going. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and remember, healthy eating can be fun and delicious. See you in the next video. Remember your love and be blessed. Bye!